Welcome to Cold Beer Ranch. I'm John, and on this episode, we're solving world hunger, unemployment, and homelessness. So you don't want to miss this episode. If you can guess what's in this box, you'll have a chance to win all this money right here. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment down in the comment sections on what you think is in this box. I'll give you a hint a little bit later. Let's get busy. So I know what you're asking, John, how are you going to do all those things? Well, let me tell you. Here's my idea. Every truck in America can put soil in the back of their bed and plant a garden. That way, when they pull up to the lights and homeless people are coming out and asking for change, you can just tell them, hey, pick some food off the back of my truck. Well, then there's a business opportunity. They'll be picking tomatoes and cilantro and onions out the back of your truck. They can go off and make salsa, and the next time they come up to your truck, they can sell salsa. So that's the unemployment problem. The homeless aren't homeless anymore because they're making money, and the food shortage is also addressed. So first things first, this is going to be our prototype truck. This truck was here when I bought this property a long time ago. I got to pull this thing out and get it out into the open so that we can plant a garden in the back. Stay tuned.
Two 2,000 years later.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
really a cheap box, considering it came with the property when I bought it. Some of you might be thinking, man, that's an expensive planter box over there. I think it's gonna look cool. I think I'm gonna give it a good paint. Maybe paint it black, clean it up just a little bit. I don't want it too clean. I like the rustic look, but you get the idea. What's up, guys? So check it out. Got some plants planted in there. Of course, for this proof of concept on feeding the hungry and making the homeless have jobs and all that stuff, you plant tomatoes and onions and lemon trees and lime trees and stuff like that that people could eat. But I don't have any of that here, but you get the idea. One of the hints for the white box, if you weren't trying to guess what the white box is, down in the comment section, it's going to go on this truck. So just know whatever's in that box is going on this truck. So keep guessing, and on the next video I'll announce who won. Looking cool. Think I ought to paint it? Let's paint it. Cold beer. It's amazing what you can do with an old truck, a little bit of dirt and some plants. World's most expensive planter box right here. I don't know what this truck's worth. It was sitting here when I got here. I did end up putting a rose bush back here in the back. Already got some roses on it, as you can see. So that'll be cool, man. I'm excited. These are plants that you don't have to really pay attention to. They just kind of grow. So we'll see how that goes. Y'all give me some ideas on what to put on the truck. I painted it a flat black, no, matte black. That is a matte black, and I think you guys already know what I'm gonna put right here. But I'll take ideas down in the comments. So appreciate you guys watching. Let's look at it. Let's look at it from the approach. As you come into Cold Beer Ranch, you guys know. You see the logo with the flag, and then as you drive in, you'll see the truck. Looks cool. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah, did I solve world hunger, unemployment, and homelessness? Nah, probably not. But it is a good idea. You're welcome, Biden. You can tack that onto the Green New Deal. Peace.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe.